Today's topic is classification of IC voltage regulators. These IC voltage regulators are classified into two types, linear regulators and switching regulators. Linear regulators are again classified as fixed voltage regulators and adjustable output voltage regulators. In fixed voltage regulator, you can get the positive and negative fixed voltages. Also in adjustable output regulators, you get positive and negative voltages too. So these linear regulators are nothing but the linear regulators are nothing but linear IC regulators are either fixed voltage regulator ICs or the variable voltage regulator IC. Fixed voltage regulator ICs are having the series like 78XX and 79XX. 78XX is generally used for positive voltage and 79XX generally used for negative voltage ranges. Then there are variable voltage ICs too. They are like LM317 and LM3311 or IC723. So we are going to study about these three terminal IC regulators. So this is the functional block diagram of 3-pin voltage regulator, where you can observe that it consists of the resistors R2 and R1 form the sampling network. R2 and R1 forms the sampling network to produce the feedback signal proportional to output voltage. So it just produces the feedback signal to the comparator, where to the comparator again we apply another voltage, that is V reference. It is internally generated voltage, reference voltage. This reference voltage is compared with the feedback signal by the comparator to produce the control signal, which is then applied to thermal shutdown and the current limiting block to series pass transistor. So this control signal is applied to series pass transistor with the help of thermal shutdown and current limiting. Now, thermal shutdown and current limiting block provides the protection against the increased internal temperature or overcurrent. That means for high heat dissipation or high temperature purpose to avoid any breakage or breakdown. The thermal shutdown and current limiting circuit is current limiting circuit is provided. So thermal shutdown and current limiting circuit is used to avoid any breakdown. If the internal temperature exceeds a predetermined value, then the thermal shutdown block will not allow the control signal to pass through this series pass transistor. So this will turn off the chip automatically, and the current limiting circuit protects the regulators against the overcurrent. So for the protection purpose against the overcurrent, we use the thermal shutdown circuit. So these three terminal voltage regulators are generally classified as 78XS series and 79XX. 78XS gives positive voltage range and 79XX gives negative voltage range. Okay, so if you write as here instead of XX, if you write here 7805, that means it gives plus 5 voltage. If you write here 79, then it is given as negative voltage minus 5. Similarly, if you have 78606, 7808, 7812, 7815, 7818, 7824, this will give respectively the 6 volt, 8 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, 18 volt, 24 volt voltage. All R will be positive. For 79, similarly, you have to change the value. That is, instead of 05, if you write there 06, means 08, 12, 15, 18, 24, then it will give minus 6, minus 8, minus 12, minus 15, minus 18, minus 24 volts. So these are simply the three terminal voltage regulator IC. So this, its block diagram or its pin diagram is consist of for 78XX series voltage regulator IC. It has one input terminal, one ground terminal, and one output terminal. So this ground terminal will be your pin number 2, output terminal is your pin number 3, and input terminal is your pin number 1. Similarly, for 79XX, pin number 1 is your ground pin. Pin number 1 is your ground pin. Pin number 2 is your V in. Pin number 1, 2, 3 and pin number 3 is your output voltage. V0. So pin number 1 is ground, pin number 2 is input and pin number 3 is output. So this is a reverse to 78XX. So this was all about the IC voltage regulator, in that you have observed here or study here the fixed voltage regulator ICs with the series 78XX and 79XX. Thank you.